Thank you for checking out this video. This video is about how you can use AI with your dyslexia. And so I've been using ChatGPT for quite a while, and there is a feature on it so you can chat with it, like going back and forth, and there's a dictation format with this. So in a moment, I'll switch over to my desktop so I can show you how to make it go. But a little background about who I am and why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to educate people about how to use AI in a more effective manner, especially who are dyslexic, autistic, ADHD, or other neurodivergent. But these are the ones that are directly affecting me. Also, I have learning disabilities. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. And if you are in Canada and you're looking to work with me, the information is in the description. Anyway, let's head over to my desk, the other screen, so I can show you what I'm trying to do. This is my other screen. As you can see, with chatgpt.com. And so all you gotta do is when you log in, you don't even need to create an account with this. I don't know if that allows you to use functions for speaking or not. I have a full account. That's a $20 account, but if you have the feature enabled, you should be able to do this. So it says ready when you are. So the feature that I want to show you, the first one is dictation. So hi ChatGPT, what can you do for people who are dyslexic? And as you can see, it's recording and now it's transcribing. And as you can see, it's there. I hit enter, and it will create it speaking and creating the output. And when it's doing that, I can show you how to change it. Go to your profile, personalization, sorry. And under personalization, sorry, under general, it's spoken. Spoken English is English, but voice. You have all these different voices. You can push play.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
As you can see,
hey, I'm ready to hit the ground.
As you can see, it will give you different voices, and you can hit play and let it go.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you.
I'm not going to go through all of them. It's pretty obvious. I use so. Anyway, this is the output it has given me. I'm not going ready to go for the entire scene, but I'll ready to go for a couple seconds.
Quite a lot. For someone who is dyslexic, I can act like a reading, writing, and thinking support tool. The biggest value is that I can change information into a form that is easier to take in and easier to work with. 1, I can simplify text. You can paste in something hard to read, and I can turn it into shorter sentences, plain language, step-by-step, points a cleaner version with less clutter, a version that explains what the text is really saying. 2, I can help with writing. I can help you. Fix spelling and grammar without changing your voice too much. Rewrite messages so they sound clearer.
When you want to have it stop,
turn rough thoughts into clean paragraphs.
All you gotta do is push stop. And for it to start playing, I should actually showing you that before it is more actions.
Quite a lot. For someone who is
and if you're new and you don't know this, you can batch it off into a new chat with it load. So I can carry on with another bunch of ideas and keep the original ones, the original format like before. Another way of doing this is you see the little speaker scene under here. It will take a second to populate, but hi ChatGPT, I'm doing a demo about how to use you and for people who are dyslexic, can you give me a short list of what you can do?
Sure. For someone who's dyslexic, I can read text out loud, help break down complex ideas into simpler steps, and adjust pacing to make things easier to follow. I can also assist with spelling, grammar, or summarizing text into key points. Basically, I'm here to support reading, writing, or thinking tasks with flexible ways to fit different needs.
And I didn't tell the audience, but I'll tell them now, and maybe you can elaborate on this. You can use your voice features and dictation features as well on your mobile phone. Is there any other things that someone else who is dyslexic may want to know about that?
One big insight is that using voice tools can boost independence. For example, if reading feels tiring, listening to text can reduce that effort. Dictation lets someone...
And by the way, for the people who are audience watchers, you can interrupt it and it will stop. And you can also do other things related to search it. And unfortunately, that conversation had a problem, so I won't restart it. But you can do web search. Hi, ChatGPT, are you able to do a web search for me?
Yes, I can. If you need fresh info or something specific from the web, just tell me what you're looking for, and I'll dig in for you.
And also, for the people who are watching this, ChatGPT, can you tell me what model you are?
I'm based on GPT-4 Turbo, so I'm a large language model designed to understand and generate...
Thank you very much, ChatGPT. Unfortunately, that is not the state of the art for right now. And I'm going to actually transfer back to my face. 1 second. So it's not the state of the art, but for the voice of voice, it's not the state of the art, but it's pretty good. You have to scale it a little bit more. It's a little bit more versatile. But for when you're walking and you don't want to have your, you don't want to tape so much and have it going back and forth, that's one way. And when you do the dictation, as you can see, it will give you the output, and you can modify that output as you wish. So there is some flexibility with using ChatGPT and being dyslexic. So hopefully this helps. If you are at all interested in working with me, and if you're in Canada, hit me up. I am working on some information on for people to be able to download and read. So that's coming. And also, finally, if you like this this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them. Or if you know another way of using ChatGPT for dyslexics or other neurodivergent people, let me know. And the final question is, what is the most use case for you that you use AI for? Anyway, have a great day. See you in the next one.